You open the dashboard of your brand new Sellvia store. 0 sales. But it looks clean, it runs fast, it's got products that have great potential. So, what's wrong? This moment is where most beginners give up. But believe me, your store isn't broken, bad, or anything else. It's just invisible. No one knows about it yet. See, building a store is only the first step. Promoting it is just as important. Today, we're going to go through 10 real working ways to get customers to your Sellvia store. Even if you don't have followers, don't want to dance on TikTok, and your budget barely covers a pizza. All right, let's go. Let's start with the easiest one. When people search for things like funny dog t-shirts or eco-friendly gifts under $30, they don't go straight to your website. They see Google shopping results first. Those product cards with prices and reviews at the top of the search results. If your listings aren't optimized, they'll never appear there. But that's exactly where buyers are ready to make impulsive purchases. So, how do we get there? First of all, use descriptive, specific titles. Don't call your product a ceramic mug. Call it a handmade ceramic mug for espresso lovers. Upload clean, bright photos with a white background, good lighting, and multiple angles. Sellvia already has great product images in the catalog, so you can just go ahead and copy them. Fill out every product field. Materials, size, color, and tags. These fields aren't just extra info. They help Google match your products to what people are searching for. Everyone dreams of striking a collaboration with a big influencer. It can bring great results, but have you seen their fees? Unbelievable amounts of money. That's why you want micro-influencers, small creators with 5 to 50,000 followers whose audiences trust them. Let's say you sell skincare products. A beauty microblogger who regularly shows her morning routine can do more for your sales than a celebrity who just uploads a smooth corporate post. Here's how to approach them. Search Instagram or TikTok for creators from your niche. Check if their engagement looks genuine. Are there real comments with real people interacting? Does the influencer reply to those comments? Send a friendly, direct message. For example, "Hey, I love your content. I run a small store that sells products for your niche. Would you like me to send you a few samples? If you enjoy them, maybe we could do a small collab." Use simple human language, not overly official language. Most influencers really appreciate when they feel that there's a real human behind a brand account. Some will even do it for free. Others might charge a small fee. This one's especially underrated. If you can't find new buyers, borrow someone else's audience. For example, you sell coffee grinders and mugs. Another small business sells coffee beans. You can both greatly benefit from collaborating. Run a joint promo. You can sell your products in bundle, do a giveaway, or do a mutual shout out on social media. You both post about it, split the costs, and share customers. Both parties are happy. Yes, they sell in your niche, but if they're not your direct competitor, why not help each other out? Yes, blogging sounds old school, but it's still one of the cheapest, most stable ways to bring in traffic. Your blog should become a magnet for people searching on Google. If you sell toys for dogs, write an article called "How to Stop Your Dog from Chewing Furniture." And if you sell equipment for home gyms, write a post about best beginner workouts you can do in 15 minutes. Each article targets what your customers are looking for. Here's a quick tip to write a good blog post. Define the problem. What's bothering your audience? Give them a solution, which means giving them useful tips. Avoid vague, general information. Search Reddit for real-life experiences, and then give a soft pitch. Mention your product so it feels natural. That's why we made this adjustable dumbbell set. It's compact and easy to store. And here's an extra tip. Once you've published a few articles, sign up for Help a Reporter Out or Featured.com. These services send daily requests from journalists who need expert quotes. You respond, share your thoughts, and often get a backlink to your site. That backlink boosts your search rankings and adds instant credibility, featured on Yahoo Finance or mentioned by Insider. It's a small effort with a huge upside. This is one of my favorite hacks because it always works. Create a single page on your store titled The Ultimate Gift Guide for someone from your niche, for fishing lovers, for board games lovers, or simply dads, moms, or coworkers. Then divide products into several price categories. Gifts under $25, gifts under $50, gifts under $100. Now, why does this work? Keyword gifts attracts people with insanely high buying intent. When someone types gift ideas for cat owners, it means they are ready to buy today. You can easily make this page evergreen. Update it before holidays like Christmas, Valentine's, Mother's Day, etc. And you'll get organic clicks for years. Treat Pinterest as a search engine like Google. Any pin can drive traffic to your product page, and the pin is always there, unless you delete it yourself. Make boards with titles that reflect your niche. Minimalist desk setups, pet parent essentials, cozy morning rituals. Upload your product photos, but don't just spam with them. Mix photos with other images, like lifestyle photos or inspirational images. People pin more when your boards feel like genuine collections and not ads. Each pin should link to your product or store page. If you want to learn more about this, check out our previous video about Pinterest and how you can earn from it. It's not a secret that a lot of times people find answers on Reddit because their users share honest opinions on different things and give valuable insights and advice. Let's say you sell coffee beans. Go to r/coffee. What are people complaining about? I can't find beans that aren't bitter. Shipping takes too long. Why are grinders so overpriced? Those are insights straight from your target audience. Now, take those words and use them in your product titles, descriptions, or ads. Fresh roasted beans with a silky texture and fruity flavor, not bitter, no burnt notes. Such a description will attract more users because it's not abstract, but optimized to their needs. You can even paste popular Reddit posts into ChatGPT and ask it to summarize the top 10 pain points people in this subreddit have. Instead of trying to read people's minds, you're taking what they're not happy about and giving them a solution to it. This is a great way to attract warm leads. People who might not be ready to buy, but will happily exchange an email for something valuable. For example, you sell coffee gear. Make a PDF called 5 Simple Coffee Recipes for Busy Mornings. Add your store logo, a short intro, and links to your products inside the PDF. Now share it on Pinterest, Reddit, and Facebook groups. If 100 people download it, some will later return to buy it. And those who don't, you now have their email for gentle follow-ups. This is the modern version of handing out flyers, except that these flyers circulate online forever. Email isn't dead. In fact, it's one of the few marketing channels you actually own. Once someone joins your list, you can reach them anytime without paying for ads. Start with a small sign-up form on your site. Join our list and get 10% off your first order. Then send a short sequence of emails. First email, welcome your subscriber and tell them about your brand. Keep it short, keep it human, and show one best-selling product. Second email, now you add value, maybe a quick tip or how-to using your products. Third email, share social proof, a review, a before and after, or a testimonial. Fourth email, a little nudge, a limited offer, a discount, or a new arrival. You can automate this once and then forget about it. AI tools can help write these emails quickly. Just tweak them to sound like you, not a robot. Email marketing is great because it keeps paying off month after month. Don't underestimate the power of communities. Join Facebook groups, small Discord servers, or forums where your audience is present. If you sell gym gear, join fitness communities and answer beginner questions. Don't just spam with links to your products. Start slowly, build trust, and add real value. When people start recognizing your name, they'll check your profile and your store. You're not marketing in their eyes, you're just being helpful, and that builds trust faster than any ad. Okay, let's wrap things up. You don't need a big marketing team or a huge budget to get traffic. You just need patience, curiosity, and you gotta know your target audience. Pick 2 or 3 of these strategies, test them for a month, and see what clicks. Because the stores that win often aren't the ones with perfect products. They're the ones whose owners actually learn how to promote them. And if you haven't started your store yet, head over to Sellvia.com. Grab your free turnkey store with auto promotion and start building your online business the smart way. If you liked this video and it helped you, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which tip you're gonna try first.